When you search for the best torque screwdrivers for electricians, everything looks the same. Same features, same claims. But to find the tools that really deliver, you need to dig a little deeper. Product number 1, Kubist 13 PCS Torque Screwdriver Set. First up is the Kubist 13 PCS Preset Torque Screwdriver Set priced at $29.97. What caught my attention was the sturdy storage box and the high-precision tool it houses. If you want accuracy and durability in your work, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It has a torque range of 1070 in pounds with a +2 in pounds accuracy, which means you can really trust it when working on sensitive electronics. The audible click signal when you reach the preset torque prevents over-tightening, a common issue that can cause damage or frustration. Plus, with 1,700 reviews averaging 4.6 stars, it's clearly popular among users. Here's the thing though, while that's something to consider, the included 12 bits are made of high-quality alloy tool steel, so as long as you're not overly rough, they should hold up quite well. This is perfect for you if you need a reliable, straightforward tool for maintenance and repairs. Skip this one if you're looking for a massive range of bits, as it's a more focused set. For the price, it offers solid value for your money. Now, if you're looking for something with even more versatility, the next one on my list might just be what you need. Product number 2, Kubist 49 PCS Torque Screwdriver Set. Next is the Kubist 49 PCS Torque Screwdriver Set, coming in at $39.99. This caught my eye because it's packed with a staggering amount of bits and tools for a pretty reasonable price. If you want variety in your toolkit, this is worth checking out. This means you can tackle just about any job, whether it's electronics or bike repairs. The accuracy of +2 in pounds makes it a reliable choice for delicate tasks. And with a strong rating of 4.6 stars from 1,700 reviewers, people seem to love it. Now, some users mentioned that the storage case could be better organized. Here's the thing though, while a better organized case would be nice, the sheer number of bits you get greatly outweighs this minor issue. Plus, it's still portable enough to take anywhere. This is perfect for you if you want a comprehensive set that covers all bases. Skip this one if you prefer simplicity over variety. It's definitely a good investment for the features you're getting. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one might actually surprise you with its unique features. Product number 3, Kubist 38 PCS Torque Screwdriver Set. Coming in at number 3 is the Kubist 38 PCS Torque Screwdriver Set, priced at $36.99. I was impressed by its compact design and the good amount of bits included. If portability is important to you, this one's a solid contender. The 38-piece set is great for various tasks, from maintenance to bike repairs, and with 1,700 reviews, it holds a solid 4.6-star rating. However, a few people mentioned that the bits could be a bit too compact. Here's the thing, while they are smaller, this feature actually makes the tool easier to carry around in your toolkit. If you're not planning on heavy-duty use where larger bits are needed, this shouldn't be a deal-breaker. This is perfect for anyone who needs a reliable, portable torque screwdriver set. Skip this one if you require larger bits for substantial jobs. It offers great value and is easy to transport. Now, if you're wanting a more feature-rich option, the next one may catch your interest. Product number 4, KNINE Outdoors Torque Screwdriver Set. The fourth product is the KNINE Outdoors Torque Screwdriver Wrench Driver Set, retailing for $39.97. Its compact design and array of bits stood out to me. If you want a durable tool that's easy to handle, this could be your pick. The material is S2 steel, which is known for its strength and corrosion resistance. With 1,500 reviews averaging 4.6 stars, it's clearly a trusted tool among users. Some reviews mention that it requires maintenance due to the anti-rust oil. Here's the thing though, a little upkeep goes a long way in extending the life of your tools. For anyone who's serious about their gear, this shouldn't deter you. This is perfect for you if you want a solid toolbox addition that's built to last. Skip this one if you're looking for something maintenance-free. Overall, the quality justifies the price. Now, if you want an even more budget-friendly option, the next product might just catch your eye. Product number 5. Sanliang 36 PCS Torque Screwdriver Set. Finally, we have the Sanliang 36 PCS Torque Screwdriver Set priced at just $28.99. This caught my attention with its compactness and affordability. If you're on a tight budget, this is definitely worth a look. This set also has a torque range of 1070 in pounds and includes a variety of bits, making it versatile for maintenance tasks. The click signal for over-tightening is a nice touch, and with a rating of 4.5 stars from 719 reviews, it's made a good impression on users. However, some users noted that the materials felt a bit less durable compared to pricier options. Here's the thing, while the quality might not match higher-end models, it still performs well for everyday tasks, making it great for beginners or occasional use. This is perfect for you if you need a reliable tool without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you're looking for heavy-duty use. For what you pay, it's definitely a steal. To wrap it up, we've covered 5 great torque screwdrivers. The Kubist 13 PCS for its durability, the Kubist 49 PCS for variety, the Kubist 38 PCS for portability, the KNINE Outdoors for its sturdy design, and the Sanliang for its budget friendliness. Each has its strengths and is worth considering based on your specific needs.